The colors on the Petique template are being set by the variables. So that means that instead of just clicking here and trying to update the colors of the element right here, the right way to do it is to use the variables. Let's just click here, click on colors, and here we have primary, secondary, gray, and white colors. The tip number one is to not update the gray and the white colors because these colors are being used as auxiliary colors. But feel free to update the primary and secondary colors. Another tip I want to give you is that if you are updating a darker color, so let's say just this brown dark, don't update it to a bright color. So let's say you want to use a green, and instead of using a dark version of the green, you just set a very bright color here. As you can see on the project, we now have a lot of contrast issues, and that's just because we are using dark colors to create contrast between text and background, right? So that's why you should never use and update a dark color to a bright version of this color. And also the same for bright colors. Do not change it to, let's say, a very dark colors, because you have contrast issues again. Now let's say you want to update the color of a text, right? So just like here, we have a section that have a brown dark background, and originally, of course, the text that you just added just came with this color. So in order to set this as white, what we should do is that we need to create a new div block, and then we go here in the navigator, we just place the text that we want to change the color inside this new div block. We select the div block, and here we just type the class text dash color dash white. So that's basically client first practice we are using. If you don't remember, client first is the style system for that. But just to give you this first impression about how you can actually update text colors across the template. And of course, you can do the same for updating to other text colors. If the text color that we want to update is not created yet, that's fine, we can just create it. So let me just give you an example. Just remove the text color white, and let's just say text color pink. As you can see here, although we have the pink color in the variables, we don't have it created yet, but that's very simple. So since we just created a new class here, text color pink, we can just select the text color to actually pink. This way we now have a class that you can reuse across all pages. So if you want to change some text on other page or in the like that, the process is the same. Let's just create a div block, put the text inside it, and then we can just here set the text color as the one that we would like. And that's it, boom, we just updated the text color.